Do you ever feel like you're working so hard for your money but it just seems to disappear as fast as it comes in? You're stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and the idea of building real, lasting wealth seems impossible. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're not alone, and more importantly, it doesn't have to be this way. The truth is, achieving financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to building wealth by diving deep into the 4 proven investment strategies used by renowned financial expert, Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. These strategies are accessible to everyone, whether you're starting with $10 or $10,000. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and the tools to start investing smarter and securing your financial freedom one step at a time. Let's do this. Alright, let's face it. Saving money in your bank account might feel safe, but it's like leaving your money on the sidelines while the game of wealth building passes you by. Why? Because inflation is like a sneaky thief, silently chipping away at the value of your hard-earned cash year after year. That's where money markets come in, your secret weapon against inflation and your ticket to growing your wealth. Think of money markets as the middle ground between low-yield savings accounts and the higher-risk stock market. They offer a sweet spot of relatively low risk and higher returns, making them an ideal starting point for new investors. We're talking about investments like treasury bills, fixed deposits, bonds, and a personal favorite of mine, mutual funds. Now, let's break down mutual funds because they're incredibly powerful, especially for beginners. Imagine a group of people pooling their money together to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. That's essentially what a mutual fund is. And the best part? These funds are managed by financial professionals who use their expertise to generate steady returns for the investors. It's like having a personal investment team working for you, even if you don't have millions to invest. With mutual funds, you get instant diversification, professional management, and the potential for solid returns all in one convenient package. It's no wonder they're a cornerstone of Dr. Olumide Emmanuel's investment strategy. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a financial guru to get started. There are tons of resources available to help you choose the right mutual funds for your goals. Websites like Morningstar and Investopedia provide in-depth analysis and ratings of different funds, making it easier than ever to make informed decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By consistently investing in money markets, even small amounts, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. It's like planting seeds that will grow into a fruitful financial future. Now I know what you might be thinking. Graham, this all sounds great, but how much money do I really need to start investing in money markets? And the answer might surprise you. You can often start investing in mutual funds with as little as $100 or even less, depending on the fund and the brokerage you choose. The key is to start small and be consistent. Think of it like building a muscle. The more you invest, the stronger your financial foundation becomes, so take that first step. Do your research, choose a reputable brokerage, and start exploring the world of money markets. Let's talk about stocks because when it comes to building wealth, the stock market is like the Grand Canyon, vast, intimidating, and full of potential. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, the stock market seems risky, complicated, and only for Wall Street experts. But hold on, because I'm here to break down those misconceptions and show you how you can harness the power of the stock market to grow your wealth, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. First things first, let's demystify what stocks actually are. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of ownership in a company. That's right, you become a part owner, a shareholder in companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. And as those companies grow and become more valuable, so does your investment. Imagine investing in Amazon back when it was just an online bookstore. Or Apple when it was just a crazy idea in Steve Jobs' garage. That's the potential upside of the stock market, the chance to get in on the ground floor of companies that could change the world. Now, I'm not saying you need to find the next Amazon to make money in the stock market. The key is to invest in companies you believe in, companies that have a solid track record of growth and profitability. Do your research, read about different industries, and look for companies that are well positioned for future success. And here's the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Thanks to online brokerages like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity, you can start investing in the stock market with as little as $5 or even less per trade. That's right, for the price of a cup of coffee, you can start building a portfolio of stocks that could grow significantly over time. Now, I know the stock market can be volatile. prices go up and down, and it's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster. But here's the key. Think long-term. Don't try to time the market or chase quick profits. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of quality companies, and hold on to those investments for the long haul. Educate yourself, start small, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. Chapter 3. Investing in other people's businesses. A win-win for wealth creation. Let's face it, we all have that friend or family member who's brimming with entrepreneurial spirit, always coming up with the next big idea. They're passionate, driven, and have a vision that could change the game. But often, the missing piece is capital, the fuel that can turn their dreams into reality. And that's where you come in. Investing in other people's businesses, whether it's a small startup or a local venture, can be one of the most rewarding and impactful ways to grow your wealth. Think about it. You're not just investing in a company. You're investing in someone's passion, their drive, and their potential to make a real difference. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not a venture capitalist with millions to throw around. How can I possibly invest in other people's businesses? Well, here's the good news. You don't need to be a millionaire to become an angel investor. There are countless opportunities to invest in businesses at all levels, from small microloans to more significant investments in startups. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to support projects you believe in, while sites like AngelList connect accredited investors with promising startups seeking funding. But here's the thing, investing in other people's businesses goes beyond just writing a check. It's about providing mentorship, guidance, and support to help entrepreneurs navigate the challenges of building a successful business. Your experience, your network, and your insights can be invaluable assets to a budding entrepreneur. And let's not forget about the potential financial returns. When you invest in a business that takes off, the rewards can be significant. So take a look around your community, talk to entrepreneurs, and explore the world of angel investing. Chapter 4. Turning your ideas into gold. The power of intellectual property. Now let's talk about a gold mine that's often overlooked. The power of your own ideas. That's right, your creativity, your knowledge, and your unique perspective are valuable assets that can be turned into profitable income streams. We're talking about the exciting world of intellectual property, where your ideas can literally pay you for years to come. Think about it. Every successful product, service, or piece of content started as an idea in someone's mind. From the iPhone in your pocket to the latest hit song on the radio, it all began with someone harnessing the power of their intellectual property. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Graham, I'm not an inventor or a musician. What kind of intellectual property could I possibly have? Well, here's the thing. Intellectual property comes in many forms, and you might be sitting on a gold mine without even realizing it. Do you have a knack for writing? Consider self-publishing a book on Amazon Kindle or creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Turn your skills into a passive income stream by selling digital products like templates, fonts, or stock photos on sites like Creative Market or Etsy. Maybe you have a unique skill or expertise that you could share with the world through online coaching or consulting. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you're in control. You set your prices, you choose your clients, and you build a business around your own terms. So, start brainstorming, start creating, and start turning your intellectual property into a source of passive income and lasting wealth. There you have it, 4 proven investment strategies used by Dr. Olumide Emmanuel to build lasting wealth. We covered money markets, the stock market, investing in other people's businesses, and harnessing the power of intellectual property. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and a willingness to learn and grow. Start small, diversify your investments, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The most important step is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect amount of money. Start where you are, with what you have, and watch your wealth grow over time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family who are ready to take control of their financial future, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing financial tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's make it happen.